Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video and my channel and its content. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being loyal to my channel. And I did finally get out and get to see a professional for my hair. It's a little darker than I wanted to go, but she said it will lighten up after a few washes. I got some little supposedly blonde underneath here, and they would only take one client at a time. You couldn't bring anybody with you. There were no children allowed, and you had to wear a face mask, and they were not allowed to blow dry and style your hair. So I came back with wet hair and I had to make do on my own. And the favorite part about going to the salon is when they blow dry it and they style it and you walk out looking so great. But then on the positive note, when you come home and you have to style it yourself, you know that you can do it. So without further ado, my video today is friend mail. I'm sure a lot of you have met some great YouTubers. It's so hard not to meet like your YouTuber for life friends, and that's what I have met. So I got a bunch of friend mail and I'd like to share it with you. So the first friend mail that I got was from Kayla's Closet, and I am going to leave the channel links to all of these great YouTubers below, and please check them out. They're just so kind, and obviously they're kind enough if they send friend mail. So the first one is Kayla's Closet. She does clothing unboxings, she does makeup unboxings, she just does a little bit of all. I think she does some home decorating unboxings, and she has a dog, Lexi, that's just so adorable. And I sent Lexi a bark box because Lexi is always watching my videos. So if you have a chance, check out the bark box that I sent Lexi. She just it was her birthday, and she just went into the bark box. So please check that out. But a lot of you know I live in Arizona and I collect cactus. So she sent me, and I'm trying to figure it out if it is a bookmark. So Kayla, let me know if this is a bookmark. I didn't want to take it out of the package because it's so cute. I'm just going to put it on as a little decoration, but it is a cactus. But I had, and it's a cactus plastic bag. It's just too cute. So, Kayla got a boxy charm, and I mentioned I didn't get a palette. I think it was a base box boxy charm, and I didn't get a palette. And I've watched some other boxy charm base box, and the first thing people do when they open it, they're like, there's no palette. So I guess some of the base boxes don't include a palette. So Kayla is like, Robin, I got this really pretty color palette, and so she sent it to me. And it's Aristo, it's Suva, but look at the colors. They're just very nice, kind of laid back tone colors. So I do plan on using these. I love the blues here at the end. So I didn't want to use them until I showed them to her, or showed them to you guys, because I actually wanted to use them today, but I'm like, no. So I do love this palette, Kayla. So I did want to thank her. Very dry and hot out here in Arizona. So these were the two things that I got as friend mail from Kayla. So thank you, Kayla and Lexi, because I'm sure Lexi had something to do with it too. And then the next package that I got is from Nikki, and her channel, I always have to remember it. It's like Nikki, but my name's not Nicole, but I'll leave her link. And she's just such a sweetheart. And I know she's got a couple kids, so now with everything going on, she's probably homeschooling and just as busy as it be, because I haven't seen her posting, but she does a lot of makeup reviews and makeup, and she's beautiful. So please check out her channel. And I just made a comment on one of her unboxings. She received a beautiful palette, and I think it was in a BoxyCharm. And I said, oh, I really like that palette. And a couple weeks later, she's like, Robin, I want to send you that palette. And I'm like, no, you don't have to. And she's like, no, I insist. So I offered to send her something from my collection, and she's like, no. So not only did she send me a palette, she sent me chocolates. Well, by the time I got to the mailbox, the chocolates, needless to say, were chocolate milk. So I did salvage them, put them back into the refrigerator, and they're gone. I mean, I had to eat them. The eyeshadow palette I can save, but the chocolates absolutely not. And she sent me a sweet note. So I'm not gonna read it because I find them a little personal. But trying to see if she can, oh yeah, here it is. Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. So I will leave the link to her channel, and you have to check her out. She's just such a sweet. She's got a little sass like my Linda Roy, but she's so sweet. So she did send me some chocolates. And as you know, if anybody sends me chocolates, don't expect them to make it to any type of video. And she sent me this palette, Living Color. And I have my scissors. Sorry, I did go and get my hair cut today, as I was telling you, and they can't use blow dryers. So guess what? There was hair all over my body. It was down my face mask and everything. And since you can't wash your hair for 24 hours after you have a color, I just feel like I'm shedding. So I tried my best to take out like wipes and wipe off my body and get rid of all this hair, but yeah, I don't think I'm doing a good job. So of course, in the comments below, let me know what you think of the new do. And, oh, sorry, this is the packaging. And I did not get this palette in mine. And I am always, just to let you know, always willing to switch a product. If anybody sees, and there's a couple girls that already know, they're like my vulture watchers. I barely show something and they're like, I want that. You guys know who you are. So if you guys ever see anything in there that you just have to have or want to switch a color for, my email is below, my Instagram is in there, so you can feel free to ask me. But look at these colors. Aren't those pretty? And they're a little laid back. I'm really surprised she didn't want this palette, and her looks are, oh, they are beautiful. As I said, she's one of my sassy friends. And so yeah, I thought that was so sweet of her. So her link will be below, a must check out. And my last box, and when I saw, this is West Coast Weeks, you know, I mention her a lot on my channel, but she's always getting my cactus packages. And she opened this up, I think this was a pink box delivery. And she's like, oh, look what I got in the mail. And I was ready to get in my car and drive to California and take this box right out of her hands. So she sent me She didn't send me the contents that was in the box, but she sent me a bunch of goodies that were in the box. And so I think I sent her some stuff back. So we're not shy about saying, oh, well, if you're not going to use that, I'll take it. So that's what's nice about meeting some people on YouTube. So the first thing that she's got in here is Be the Sunshine. So that was sweet. I'm surprised she didn't keep that for herself because she is sunshine. I'm gonna lose another pair of scissors. Then we have Honey Matcha Complete 4-Step Spa Kit. And I think I got one in my pink box, but I don't think it's the same one as she got. And I cannot have too much spa in my life. And at this point, I don't think anybody can have too much spa in their life. And the next thing is I'm Cactus Sheet Mask. So a total winner. And then we have use this and you'll be showing your feet off. Oh, it's a foot mask. Okay, last week? I went and got professional nails done. I think I put my story in my BoxyCharm. I'll link that up there. But yeah, the feet and nails. Now I got my hair done, so I am actually not gonna, God, this hair is bothering me. I am not gonna go out for a while. I've had my fill of going out and being overwhelmed. And of course, the last thing in the box, and I did see this, her open this, and I'm like, oh, I want one. And I tried to order, I think this came out of a Bombay and Cedar box maybe because I saw a couple people open it and I'm like, I want that. This is a beautiful notebook and it's got the little zipper up here and it's like this. If I remember, it's just a plain journal. It isn't, I think this year I got 3 or 4 calendars, and of course we're inside and the year's half over. But isn't this really nice? You can put everything. You can put your grocery list. You know, I use a lot of these for my YouTube channel, what boxes I'm getting, who I'm mailing stuff to, and it's got a thing for cards. You know, you can put business cards or whatever in here, but I thought this was really nice. And of course I made a comment like I want it, and no, I didn't. I just said if you're not going to use it, but it had a cactus on there. And again, I tried to got another cactus. I tried to order a Bombay and Cedar, and of course a big sold out came across the line. So this was from West Coast Weeks. So she gave me the journal and the feet, and oops, the feet and the hand mask and the cactus mask and the pin. And I will leave Vicky's channel. And then I got from Nikki, we got Vicky and Nikki, this beautiful palette and the scrumptious chocolate. And I'll leave her channel. And then my cutie pie Kayla, she is just so sweet. The palette, and I have to figure out if it's a bookmark. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out their channels. I think Vicky is so close to her 1,000 subscribers, and Nikki's on her way. So as always, you guys have an awesome day and stay safe.